Hi, my name is Karina. I'm here from Belarus to show you how to change the oil on your DRZ 400. You will need the following tools to do that: 10, 12, 14 millimeters sockets, extension for sockets, ratchet handle, 2 liters of oil, new oil filter, and some gloves. Now I'm going to unscrew the oil filler. Now locate the oil frame plug. Place the oil pan underneath this bulb. And now I'm going to use a 12 millimeter socket to undo the plug. Position the oil pan so it can catch not only the frame plug but also the crankcase plug. With 14 millimeter socket, I'm going to undo the crankcase plug. Oops. Okay, I've finished with that, and now I will upright the bike. Now, as the bulk of the oil has drained, here's the oil filter cover, which is located on the right side of your bike. Now, undo 3 nuts.
Go.
Okay, now I'll take this new oil filter, but first of all, make sure there is no imperfections or tears. Well, that one looks fine. Place the new oil filter in. Now refit the big O into the oil filter cover. Put the cover back on, but make sure the arrow points up. Put the frame plug back, but don't tighten too much. Before putting back the crankcase plug, make sure the washer is in good condition. Make sure you clean your funnel. And now pour 1.8 liters of your favorite oil. Replace the oil filler cap. What does that mean?
It's like slang. It's slang for the same thing. It means change oil.
What's again? What's it?
Now that I'm lubed up.
Lubed up?
Yeah. Now that I'm
Lubed
all
up?
lubed up.
Now that I'm all lubed up.
Now that I've lubed up.
Yeah, now that I have lubed up. Yeah, now that I've lubed up.
And action.
Now that I have lubed up, I'm ready for a ride.